is a web-based tool that makes creating machine learning models fast, easy, and accessible to everyone. In this video, I will show you how easy to create a machine learning computer vision model using Teachable Machine. First, you go to Teachable Machine website and click Get Started. And then you can choose your project. You can either make a computer vision project or the audio project or a post project. So I will choose the image project. And then you can choose standard image model. You will come to this interface. First, you can create as many classes as you want. So let me add one more class. I'm going to demonstrate how to create a machine learning computer vision model for scissors, paper, stone game. So I will choose my first class to be scissors. And the second class to be paper. And the third class stone. Next, I will need to collect the data for each class. The easiest way is to use the webcam. So let me turn on the webcam. So I'm going to hold and record the scissors. It is good to change your style so that the model training will be more robust. Try to collect more than 20 images for each class. Next, I will collect the data for paper. Next, I will collect the data for stone. So once you have collected the data, you can go to train your model. So the training typically takes a few minutes. Let's wait for the training to be completed. So now the training is over. You can test your model. So let's use the webcam to test the model. Okay, it is showing a stone. That's correct. Paper, that is correct. Let's try. Scissors, that is correct. Okay, if you are happy with the model, you can export your model by pressing this button. And you can export your model to Tensorflow. You can download the model, or you can download a Tensorflow-like model for Raspberry Pi. That's all for this tutorial. Feel free to comment below on how easy to use Teachable Machine.